Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and this video will show you how to delete your 2 verification code on your Telegram. Hey guys, here's a way on how to delete your 2-step verification on your Telegram. So first you want to open your Telegram. So you want to navigate to the settings button on the lower section in the category. Next is go to privacy and security. Next is go to the 2-step verification. From here, it will need to type your password. So you want to type in your password. After typing your password, this will prompt to your screen. So you want to disable your password in order to have in order to disable or delete your 2-step verification on Telegram. So just tap on disable and it will work, and it will not need you to have